How to buy NFTs. Let's say your blockchain-based startup recently received its first funding round, and you were given the go-ahead to purchase some non-fungible tokens, NFTs, to use as a part of your new product. You've done your research and figured out which NFTs will work best for you. But now you need to figure out how to buy NFTs to fulfill your boss's requirements and make it through the next board meeting without an issue. In this video, we're going to help you learn how to buy NFTs. Before we get started, know that Cryptela offers you authentic crypto news so that way you can stay in touch with the market. Hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to keep yourself updated with our crypto updates. Also, check out our website, www.cryptela.com. How do you start investing in NFTs? If you're thinking about investing in non-fungible tokens, NFTs, there are a few things you should know before you get started. Here is a quick guide on how to buy NFTs. Number 1. Go to the marketplace of your choice, either a decentralized marketplace or exchange that lists NFTs. Number 2. Find an item you want and figure out how much it costs. Number 3. Use the equivalent amount of ETH or fiat currency to purchase that token asset and have it sent to your wallet. Getting started with blockchain games. Blockchain games are a new and exciting way to collect and trade digital assets. To get started, you'll need to create a blockchain wallet. Once you have a wallet, you can find blockchain games that interest you and start collecting NFTs. Keep in mind that each game has its own rules and guidelines, so be sure to read up on how each one works before getting started. Have fun and happy trading. Deciding which ERC-721 tokens to invest in. When it comes to buying NFTs, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, you'll need to decide which ERC-721 tokens you want to invest in. There are a lot of different options out there, so take some time to research the different options and find the one that best suits your needs. Once you've decided which tokens you want to buy, the next step is finding a reputable exchange that offers them. You can also look for an auction or marketplace where you can purchase them from other users. Some of the more popular exchanges include Binance, Poloniex, and KuCoin. If you like what you're learning so far, kindly hit the subscribe button and the bell icon as well. Creating your first wallet. If you're new to the world of cryptocurrency, you might be wondering how to buy non-fungible tokens, NFTs. NFTs are a type of digital asset that is stored on the blockchain. To purchase an NFT, you will need to create a cryptocurrency wallet. There are two main types of wallets, hot and cold wallets. Hot wallets refer to accounts with internet access, meaning they can be accessed from any device connected to the internet. Cold wallets require some sort of physical connection, such as an external hard drive or thumb drive, and typically have less risk for security breaches. What should I look out for when buying non-fungible tokens? When buying non-fungible tokens, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, you'll want to make sure that the NFT you're buying is from a reputable source. Second, you'll want to be sure that you understand how the NFT will be used and what it represents. Third, you'll want to consider the value of the NFT and whether or not it's something you're willing to invest in. That's all for now from Cryptela, the world's leading crypto news platform. Kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching.